It's August 24th, 2008. I'm gonna cut down these 4 Cascade hop plants today. One thing I was gonna try to get on camera here is this year I did something different. I let 3 vines grow up each of these 2 strings, and then over here I kept it to 2 each, but in the past I've only done 1, so I'm curious to see if I got more hops this year, and once I cut them down and have a look, we'll be able to find out. It's not very focused, but there they all are up there. Thank you for helping.
5, 6. No, you fold them.
Did I miss? I'm sorry.
I grabbed.
6.
I forgot to take a video of them after they were picked, but they filled up 2 1-gallon buckets, and the wet weight of them, which is something I've never measured before, but this year I did, it was about 1 pound 9 ounces, and that's 2 plants, so it's really not the greatest yield ever, but that's what it is. But now I know how much it was when it was wet, so I'll be able to see how much it loses when it's dry.
Daddy, we're hiding.
Well, I'm picking some hops.
We're hiding.
Okay, I see you. You are hiding. Well, that's 2 ounces. It doesn't look like much, but that takes an entire 1-gallon bucket full, and now you can kind of see how much it's compressed to, so that is nice, but man, it takes a lot of hops to fill a bag like that. I got about 5.5 ounces of each kind. So there's my Cascades, and here's the Centennials. So we'll be able to make a few batches of beer out of that, or use them into other batches. And I think the vacuum sealer is working pretty well so far. First time using it.